illustrate definition, illustrate in a sentence, illustrate pronunciation, illustrate meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of illustrate. Illustrate. Ill-u-strate. Illustrate. Illustrate as a verb means to explain using examples, or to draw or to paint something. Common usages in academic writing: to illustrate by example, to illustrate further, is illustrated below, is illustrated in figure 1, requires further illustration. Example sentences: illustrate verb, the results are illustrated in figure 1, and the detailed results are illustrated in figure 2. Example sentence number 2. To illustrate further, consider the situation where the delivered dose was increased to 10 milliliters. The common academic writing variation is illustration, noun. Some of the only evidence that we have from the earliest humans are the illustrations preserved on cave walls. Please write a sentence using illustrate in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of illustrate, the meaning of illustrate, and illustrate example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.